In the name of Almighty Allah, hello audience, welcome to Dawn Times. So today we will discuss about political science, paper 1 MCQs of CSS 2013. So the first one is the main book which present the Montesquieu philosophy is so option C, the spirit of law. Leviathan is a famous book written by Thomas Hobbes, so option C. And Thomas Hobbes is a famous Western political philosopher. And Al-Farabi translate the work of Plato, so option B. Al-Farabi is a famous Muslim philosopher and he translated the work of Western philosopher Plato. Al-Farabi made everlasting contribution to political thoughts. So option A. Al-Ghazali was appointed in Nizamiya College as a professor of theology. So option A. Theology deals with religion and God. Asabiyah was a term used by option C. Arabs. And economics is the factor causing revolution, movements, or war is the claim of Karl Marx. So option B. So according to Karl Marx, everything revolves around economy and economics. So economy can leads to war and revolution. And Dr. Alama Muhammad Iqbal graduated in the year. So option D, none of these. He did graduation in 1897 and he completed his PhD degree from the University of Munich in 1908. He is called Poet of the East and he was born in Sialkot, Punjab, Pakistan. And Jean Bodin presented the concept of sovereignty in the book of Option C, Republica, and this book was written in 1576. And according to which view the law and liberty are opposite to each other, so according to individualism, option C, and the term elite is derived from French word was first begun to use in France and Germany. So it is option A. And the constitution is not written and rigid in confederation. So it is option A. And a voluntary union of sovereign and independent states is called confederation. Just like example is European Union, United Nations, all these there are countries and these countries when combine and they form an alliance we call it confederation. And reconstruction of religious thoughts in Islam is a famous book written by Alama Muhammad Iqbal, so it is option B. And according to Aristotle, tyranny is the perverted form of monarchy, so it is option C. And Aristotle basic form of government is when there is one ruler we call it monarchy, if few ruler we call it aristocracy or republic, and when there are many rulers, so direct democracy. And when they change their form and they become deviant, so monarchy leads to tyranny, aristocracy leads to plutocracy, and direct democracy when deviant they leads to anarchy. So this is the basic philosophy or the basic form of government of Aristotle. And despotisms mean the rule of individual without law. So it is option B. And Machiavelli was a monarchist. Machiavelli believed that for a ruler it was better to be widely feared than to be greatly loved. A loved ruler retains authority by obligation, while a feared leader rules by fear of punishment. And Allama Muhammad Iqbal have called Machiavelli as a devil. And their famous book is The Prince. The regimes like Nazi Germany, Fascist Italy, and Soviet Union under Stalin are the example of totalitarian rule. So Hitler belongs to Germany while Stalin and Lenin belong to Soviet Union. And there is a few difference between fascism and Nazism. So fascism originated in Italy while Nazism got birth in Germany under the leadership of Adolf Hitler. Next one is the distinction between the parliamentary and presidential political system depends upon relationship between legislature and executive. So option A. And who said law is the command of sovereign? So it was said by John Aston. Option B. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. God bless you all. Thank you.